Hello, NAEOP. That just has such a nice chant to it. NAEOP. It's MJ Callaway here. I am one of your speakers for the virtual Winter Summit. And in my presentation, Fearless Comeback, make your bounce back, your bounce up. And we'll be talking about that. So in session one, we'll be talking about powering up. And in session two, we will talk about bouncing up. And this is where we are going to dig into, in session two, we will dig into, do you have people that you're spending time with that might be a little toxic? And if so, we'll do a toxic audit to find out. And then after we decide who we might need to limit time with, we will create a power team. You know, the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, we want them to be the 5 strategic people you spend the most time with, the people that can help you to get to where you want to go, maybe to reach new goals, whether it's personal or professional, because as you know, one impacts the other. And then before the end of the session, you will create a bounce up plan. It's all about you and what you need to make 2022 a rock star year. Now remember to register for February 15th and 17th for the virtual Winter Summit, and I will see you then.